So here we are again. I'm going to equip that in the probably I'll over this one, then I'll change it back later. We can only jump when he's turned. He has his back turned to us. No.
You will have to destroy those sentry bots. Make sure they do not press that alarm button.
Okay, I managed to not get hit. I think my mom's arriving, or maybe it's my father. There's a skill point for killing all those guys. You know, it must be quick. Hey, yeah. Which should I go first? Oh, come on, I didn't know he was watching me already. Hey there, guys. I think there's some more robots around here, so I must be careful.
That should do it.
Mom?
Oh, brother.
I tried, Mom. I know.
Hey, look! A sister!
My fellow Blob, our synthetic world is now fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in our way. This pathetic lump of a planet. Due to some blunder of fate, it happens to occupy the galaxy's most perfect orbit. But no more. Behold, the Deplanetizer, the most powerful laser ever created. Soon, we'll move the Deplanetizer into place just above the planet's surface. I will, of course, be on hand to press the button that will blow this mudball to smithereens. No one will even miss it. See you then.
Ratchet, are you all right?
He is going to pay!
Excuse me?
It shouldn't have taken me this long to see it! Drek is going to find out what happens when you mess with my home. What are you smiling at?
This is the Ratchet I always knew was there.
Okay, if we're gonna do this, we need to get onto Drek's ship. And then we can find out where he set up that laser.
I will try to make you proud, Mom.
So now we must leave the planet. I don't know why I didn't get the skill point. Oh well. It was supposed to be to have gained the skill point.